Hello everyone. Welcome back to 5 a.m. English Loop. I'm Shida and today we are diving into one of the most essential parts of English grammar, regular and irregular verbs. So, if you have ever wondered why we say played but not goat, this video is for you. Let's crack the code together in the simplest way possible. Okay? So, what are verbs actually? Verbs are action words. Of course, you know that. They show what we do. For example, run, eat, play, sing. So, now let's look at the regular verbs. Regular verbs are super easy. They follow a clear rule when we change them into past tense. We just add ed. Example, play, played, jump, jumped, walk, walked. Okay, let's look for more examples. Yeah, accept. Accept means to agree to take something. So, she accepted the gift with a smile. Got it? Yeah. Next, play. To engage in a game or activity. Example, the children played football in the park. Next one is talk, to speak or have a conversation. We talked about our holiday plans. Open, to move something so it is not closed. Example, he opened the window to let the fresh air in. Next one is clean, to remove dirt. She cleaned the kitchen yesterday. Watch, to look at something carefully. We watched a movie last night. Work, to do a job or task. He worked at the office till 6 p.m. Help, to assist someone. She helped her brother with homework. Start, to begin something. The race started at 9 a.m. Call, to speak to someone on the phone. I called my friend in the evening. Enjoy, to take pleasure in something. They enjoy the party a lot. Cook, to prepare food by heating. She cooked pasta for lunch. Visit, to go and spend time with someone. I visited my grandma last weekend. So, we are moving on to irregular verbs. Irregular verbs, on the other hand, don't follow this rule. They like to break the pattern and change completely. Let's look at some examples. Go, went, gone. To move from one place to another. Example, we went to the zoo yesterday. Eat, ate, eaten. To put food in the mouth and swallow. For example, she ate an apple in the morning. Drink, drank, drank. To take liquid into the body. He drank a glass of water. Run, ran, run. To move quickly on foot. The boy ran very fast in the race. Write, wrote, written. To form letters or words on paper. She wrote a letter to her friend. See, saw, seen. To look at something. For example, I saw a rainbow yesterday. Buy, bought, bought. To get something in exchange for money. He bought a new shirt. Take, took, taken. To get or hold something. She took my book by mistake. Give, gave, given. To hand something to someone. He gave me a pen. Find, found, found. To discover something. I found my lost keys. Speak, spoke, spoken. To use words to communicate. She spoke politely with everyone. Come, came, come. To move towards someone or someplace. Example, he came to school early. Remember, regular verbs are predictable. Irregular verbs are not. So you need to memorize irregular ones. But don't worry, with practice they will stick like glue. So, to sum it up, verbs are action words. Regular verbs follow the ED rule, while irregular verbs like to play by their own rules. Keep practicing, keep using them in your daily sentences, and soon you will be a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 5 a.m. English Loop for more quick grammar lessons. And let me know in the comments which irregular verb do you find the trickiest. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye.